Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to skip intro videos in Dying Light the Beast. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this link. Just scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then select the slow download option and it will download done. Select the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. Take the extract done. So make this left and right. Navigate to the game folder guys. After you are in the game folder, go to ph_ft and double click on source and just drag and drop this file in this folder. Then just close up here and launch the game. As you can see, it doesn't play the unnecessary video, and it opens up straight into the game, and that's how it works guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.